Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I show you how to download and install Metasploitable 2. You can download it on VirtualBox and also you can install it on VMware Workstation Pro for free. This software is related to Rapid7 company. You can use this software for penetration testing and also for ethical hacking. Let us download and install this software. Open your favorite browser, type here Metasploit2 download. Click in this third link. Here you have this download button. Click here. After 5 seconds the download will start for you. It will take a few moments to download this software. When you download this software, you need to download and install VMware Workstation Pro. You can install this software for free. I had one separate video how to install VMware Workstation Pro for free with free lessons. Watch this video for installing VMware Workstation Pro for free. I share link of this video on the description. Come back to download folder. Right click on Metasploitable. This file is zip. Come to WinRAR, then click here extract here. Here we have this Metasploitable 2. Now open VMware Workstation. You can install VMware Workstation on VirtualBox. Also I have one separate video how to install Metasploit on VirtualBox. You can find this video in the description. But I recommend to install Metasploit on VMware Workstation Pro. You can install it for free. Come here on files, click on open, go to download. We extract this Metasploitable 2. Find this Metasploitable.vmx, click on open. From edit virtual machine settings you can edit. For example, I want to select 2 GB RAM and also I need 4 GB CPU. Here we need 8 GB hard disk. I want to leave this one as default. Leave everything as default. Click on OK. Now in this step, click here power on this virtual machine. Click here I copy it. It will take a few moments to set up all the files. Guys, in this step, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. The username is by default msfadmin. The password is also msfadmin. But you don't see the password, just write then hit enter. Now we log in successfully on Metasploitable. That is ping with Google. Look, we have reply. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day. See you soon.